As India gears up for the upcoming elections, around 969 million of its citizens are eligible to vote. The elections will begin on April 19th and will be held in 7 phases, with the voting process concluding on June 4th. Results will be announced on the same day. Voters aspire for an upcoming government to improve the socio-economic conditions of the country, with special emphasis on education, infrastructure, and the job sector.
India is world's most populous country with a huge number of youth population. So they require education as well as they need more job opportunities. Also, we need security and facilities for women as well, as we see girls are facing a lot in these fields. So I think there should be an improvement in that as well.
Like they should provide more programs regarding education and employment, because a lot of youth is now getting educated but still they don't have good jobs. So I believe that the people who are very literate, very experienced and very skilled should get work what they deserve, because a lot of youth want to work at good places but they still don't get the opportunity. So I wish that new government will give new opportunities to the students.
Meanwhile, Indian farmers desire the next government to focus on agriculture and execute policies that aim to improve the condition of the farmers. Moreover, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Bharatiya Janata Party have unveiled their manifesto. PM Modi has promised to increase employment, eradicate poverty, empower the youth, especially the women, and improve India's infrastructure.
एक तरफ हमने कई सारे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर निर्माण से बड़ी संख्या में रोजगार बनाने की बात की है, दूसरी तरफ हम स्टार्टअप और ग्लोबल सेंटर्स को बढ़ावा देकर हाई वैल्यू सर्विसेज पर भी ध्यान देने जा रहे हैं। ये संकल्प पत्र विकसित भारत के 4 मजबूत स्तंभ युवा शक्ति, नारी शक्ति, गरीब, किसान, इन सभी को सशक्त करता है।
With promises of progress and development, the BJP aims to secure a third term in office. As the election day approaches, the hopes of millions ride on the future of India.